Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a walkthrough of the Spirit of the Animals Oracle, Jody Bergsma. I love animal decks. I have a special fondness in my heart. I'm a cat and a dog person. I raise canaries, so anything with animals, I'm drawn to it immediately. So here we have the nice hard box, Spirit of the Animals Oracle. 51 animal spirit cards, one personal choice card, and an illustrated guidebook that's 116 pages from US Games. Alrighty. Got the little cutout so you can easily open the box. I appreciate that. And here is some kind of a spread cloth, I believe. Let's see. Oh, this will be fun to work with. So, it looks like you use about 9 different, gosh, it's so big. 9 card Power Animals spread. Okay, well, I can play around with that later. Kind of nice to get something like that to help you practice. Here's the guidebook. Let's see, what is an animal totem? An introduction. Animal medicine, animal totems, and animal mascots have had cultural significance throughout our history. There's a personal choice card. That's the one wild card in the deck with no animals. If you pull this card, take a moment and close your eyes, envision the animal and ask, what message do you have for me? Let the answers come to you through the animal's traits and your intuition. So I do believe this is Native American themed. Totem animals. B. Looks like they're in alphabetical order. B, C, D. Okay. We have grayscale images in here, along with the extended meanings. There are some meanings apparently on the cards, but there are extensions in the book. Okay, and let's see if there's anything else at the end of the book here. Oh, a little bit about the author. Okay, so great. Let's dive right in. And it looks like the cards are arranged in alphabetical order here too, I'm assuming, since we're starting with B. So we have B, symbolizing community. Bison, to represent abundance. And there's a little poem there. A little invocation. Sacred buffalo, cloak me in your wisdom. Keep me warm through the storms of life. Fill my life with goodness. Teach me the way of gratitude and prayer. Black bear is the guardian. Black jaguar, old soul. Butterfly for rebirth. Cat for independence. The cougar, assertive. Coyote, revealer of truth. Deer for love. Oh, that's very sweet. I love the birds that are included on that card. Be gentle with yourself. You'll heal with the power of love. See the light in all things. Acknowledge your self-worth and grace. Dog for friend. Just like in Lenormand, dog is the faithful friend Dolphin for play. Dragon to represent the supernatural. Dragonfly for magic, and that is the image that's on the front of the box. So dragonfly for magic. Eagle for mastery. Elephant, greatness. Elk, nobility. Fox, clever. Clever and sweet. Clever and loving. Frog to represent prosperity. I wonder why frog came to be represented with prosperity, but then I wondered why fish are representative of prosperity in the Lenormand decks. I never quite understood that. Giraffe, visionary. If one of you can fill me in on why a fish would be considered a symbol of prosperity, as it is in Lenormand, let me know in the comments. I'm really curious about that. Goose for inner knowing. Gosh, what a beautiful card. Just the colors and the flow of the line drawing there. Grizzly bear, power. Hawk, messenger. Heron, patience. Horse, freedom. Wow, that's another just stunningly beautiful artwork in this card. Wow, I love that. Hummingbird for miracles. Humpback whale, the singer. Ladybug for good luck. Lion, higher calling. Lizard, regeneration. Loon, intuitive. Lynx, keeper of secrets. Moose, wisdom. Wow, that's just really gorgeous. Orca whale, adventure. Owl, magic. Peacock, vibrancy. Penguin, authentic. There's the personal choice card. Close your eyes. What animal do you imagine? What strengths are they known for? And what wisdom do they share? Embrace these qualities. Polar bear, mystic. Pronghorn, action. Nice, a swift animal to represent action. Puffin for partnership. Raccoon for inventor. Ram, perseverance. The raven for shaman. Sea otter, happiness. Sea turtle, protection. That's kind of one of my totem animals, otter and sea turtle. I like sea animals. There's something about them that I'm drawn to, although I'm not really an ocean person. Snow leopard, self-reliance. Squirrel, always prepared. Swan, grace. Tiger, fire. Unicorn, infinite possibilities. White stag, protector. And the last card we have is the wolf, the pathfinder. Okay, the cardstock. It's very nice. It's very sturdy. It's not thin or flimsy at all. It's bendable. It could be, I'm assuming, fairly easy to shuffle, although it's a little big for my hands, so I would have to kind of mix these to shuffle them, or maybe overhand shuffle. Here's the back image. Very beautiful. Got a eagle to represent air, a wolf to represent fire, bison to represent earth, and I believe that's a bear. And I hope I'm not misrepresenting the elements here. I'll have to read in the book and see if that's intended to be the 4 elements. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. I just wanted to take a minute and explain why I'm kind of going through a little more quickly through my reviews. It's because I've looked on my YouTube Studio Creator, and they keep track for me of the amount of time people spend looking at the video, and the average is maybe 3 minutes to 5 minutes that people will sit and watch your video. So I don't want to go on for 30 or 40 minutes talking about a deck, but I figure it's nice to show you the cards, kind of give you a good close-up, let you know, let you see them so you can decide if you'd really like them for yourself. So take care, have a pleasant afternoon, and I hope to see you again soon. Please hit the like and subscribe. Bye.